I'm going to start with you, Jonathan. There was a recent YouGov poll, and it came back that only 25% of the British public thought that Keir Starmer was doing a good job in his first year. That's pretty low.
Yeah.
But it makes sense. I mean, let's have a look at some of the things that he's achieved. First of all, he's raised taxes, which are causing huge problems for businesses. The economy is still in a mess. Inflation is rising. And what's also rising is the numbers of both legal and illegal immigrants coming into this country, which is a huge concern for a lot of people. He's hell-bent on taxing family-run farms into extinction, and he's seriously damaged our nation's security with surrendering the Chagos Islands. The only thing that most of the country backed him on was the reform of the welfare. And guess what? He's done a U-turn on that. So how can anyone look at this government and say it's fit for purpose?
Well, you've given me a long list of...
There's a longer list. I just didn't write it all down.